Okay, it's the 15th of February, the day after Valentine's Day. Radio 46 at the Westford Regency Inn. As predicted, we have some pretty rough weather, and the turnout is very small so far. But we're going to see what it turns into later on. Well, due to the weather, we have kind of a thin showing. However, there are obviously some die-hard radio collectors that just can't stay away. And our club president over here has brought all kinds of goodies, all different types of radios as usual. Two of which I've already bought. We got another faithful vendor here that's got all kinds of goodies, all kinds of parts. Of course, John has his books. And we'll see, we might get a bigger showing a little later once the snow eases up. And in the console section, you got a couple beautiful consoles, a Zenith and a Philco.